Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. My paper pumpkin for July has arrived in the mail and I'm super excited. So let's open it up together. This is the July 2018 paper pumpkin and on the side it does say Picnic Paradise. So it sounds super summery and fun. So I can't wait to open this up and see. Do we want to guess the color? Don't go forward first. Let me know in the comments below if you guess the color. I'm gonna go with perhaps a yellow. So let's go maybe Mango Melody, which is kind of like a yellowy orange but very bright. It is, okay, so we were totally off. It's not a bright color at all. It's actually soft suede, which is in the neutrals collection. So I was totally off on that, thinking it would be bright and summery, but maybe the accessories are nice and bright, so that might be what it is. So the stamps here say thank you, for you, enjoy, and thinking of you. There's also a to and from for a fun little tag. And then there's these little like borders and sort of like background images that are super cute. So there's that. And now we have our fun little tissue paper, which is like opening a present every month. That's my favorite part. That and the surprise. Ooh, this is so cute. Look at this. It is very picnicky. Look at the little strawberries and apples and stuff. Super cute. So let's open this. There are tons of goodies in this set. So let's get the instructions out so you can see that. It looks like it makes 4 baskets and 12 cards with envelopes. So how amazing is that? That's a ton of goodie in there. And of course there's the instructions in here and everything. And then don't forget there's always that nice little handy dandy ruler there at the bottom so that you can measure your twine or ribbon. So I always love using that, especially whenever I'm making my kit out and about, like if I take it on vacation with me or to go get my oil changed or something like that. So we do have Whisper White Baker's twine, some little like brass brads. Of course, we have our adhesive, the dimensionals and glue dots. And then it looks like 4 of the envelopes have those cute little apples. Is that not screaming back to school? Super cute. Although I don't want to think about back to school right now. It's still summertime. And then that's super fun on the inside to have that little checked pattern and everything. So there's 4 of the envelopes as the little 3x3s. And then it looks like here are another 4 with the little strawberry and then red check. And then there's the little blueberry and yep, and blue check. Super cute. Then this says short brim sticker. So these are little like crumb cake stickers, or actually they might actually be soft suede even though they look very crumb cake-ish. And then we have card bases. So they are white on the inside. These are the little 3x3 card bases. Looks like all of the card bases for the cards are the same. And then these must be the baskets. So it does say basket base on it. And it looks like it's already like folded and stuff. So I'm not really sure how to assemble it. That's what the instructions are for, I guess. Oh, that's probably what these are for, but there's the cute little box and everything. So it'll be cute to hold the little cards. Again, like I said, since they look so teachery, then they would be super cute to give as teacher gifts whenever your kids go back to school. Or perhaps like a hostess gift for a family reunion or something like that. So there's 4 of those baskets. Then we have super cute little tags. I don't know how well you can see those. I think I'll go ahead and I'll pop one of them out. Oh, there's 2 sheets here. So there's actually a nice little stitched edge to it. And then there's this little lip that has the color that coordinates with the greeting and everything. So, or with the matching color with the blueberry, strawberry, or apple. But there's that cute little stitched edge, and then of course the little holes. So those are super adorable. I always love the little stitched edge because I feel like it gives so much oomph and pattern to your project. Then here's 2 full sheets of a whole bunch of labels. This one has the little banner tips on either side. There's 3 of those. Then there are 9 of just regular rectangles. Then this one has rounded edges, and then this one has like the opposite of the rounded edge, and sort of has like tips but little rounded edges instead, or rounded centers rather than the square centers like this one. Here we have a whole mess of leaves. These are all stickers. And here's the little blueberries with the little, it almost just looks like a star as the little like cutout. So there's a little cutout there, but it looks like a little star for the blueberry. And then the strawberries are so cute. Look at those. Love it. And then of course there's apples too. Then this says basket handles. And that just popped right out there, but that's okay. And then this says long brim sticker. So I think this is to assemble all of the baskets and everything. And then there's a little hole in the center, so that's probably for the brads. And then we have like some vellum labels, I think is probably what these are, for like the little backgrounds. So little like white vellum. They're sort of like ticketed on either end with little zigzags there. And then this is actually tissue paper. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. So it's real, well actually it's not real thin, but it's tissue paper and everything to decorate inside your little basket. And there is the green, the blue, and the red. So super, super cute. I love that. It is so summery looking. So there's all of it on the photo there up front. So super, super cute. I can't wait to assemble this. Of course, I'll be posting pictures of it assembled on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check that out there. And of course, don't forget that if you would like to try out Paper Pumpkin, you can actually try out the August kit at half price using the code BLOOM0818. So I will leave that down below here, as well as in the description box. I'll leave a link for you to get signed up, and I'll have that code there. So you'll want to try that out. You can always try it out for 1 month. If you like it, you can keep going. If not, you can always suspend it or cancel it at any time. So it's a great way to try it out at a fun little discount. It's normally $19.95, so that makes it you know, 10 bucks or so. So super great, especially since your first kit comes with a clear block. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I am trying to get back into posting every Tuesday and Thursday. But with the little baby, she takes up a lot of my time, and so it just, sometimes it happens, but I'm trying to get back onto a great schedule. Thank you for your patience in the meantime. And I will see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.